Customer objections can be tough to overcome. However, let's face it, sometimes the thing getting in the way of the sale is your techniques. Even experienced salespeople fall into habits that could end up hurting trust, wasting time, or killing repeat business. Let's discuss 5 self-destructing sales habits and how to avoid them. Fearing the customer's objections is the first habit to avoid. If you're worried about objections, you might overpromise or even offer a service at a lower price just to keep the customer happy. Instead, get ahead of the objection. Ask questions early to find out what the customer values most and form your sales pitch around it. That way, price isn't the only topic on the table. Second, suggesting a fix too early. Remember, the customer is the one who drives the vehicle most. If you don't listen closely to the details and suggest a fix too early, they'll feel like you're selling, not helping. Sometimes making someone feel heard can be the difference between a sale and them finding somewhere else to go. Third, using the same approach for every objection. If your go-to move is to drop the price or throw in extras, you might create a culture of customers that think by complaining, they'll get a deal. Remember, not every objection is about money, so make sure you slow down and really listen. That way, you can curate your sales pitch based on their objections. Fourth, shifting the blame. Let's say a customer comes back to your shop with a TPMS light issue following a tire change. Even if you're lighthearted about it, pointing fingers at technicians, for example, won't fix the issue. At worst, it could affect the customer's confidence in your team, so be careful not to shift blame on anyone specific. Fifth, taking it personally. It's hard not to get defensive when someone is frustrated or saying things about your shop that you know aren't true. However, when you internalize a customer's negativity, you may stop focusing on the fix. Your job isn't to justify or explain the issue. However, it is your job to solve it. Keep your cool and keep it about the service. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time. Thanks for watching.